Namaste everyone, and welcome to our 17th day of the meditation challenge. We're almost towards the end of this challenge now, and today we're going to be studying the Anandmaya Kosha or the Bliss Body. So let's begin with today's session. Come into a comfortable sitting position on your mat. You can also keep your back against the wall, or you can sit on a chair if you're more comfortable that way. And once you have come into position, lengthen your spine from the base up. Bring your hands into Gyan Mudra at your knees. Roll your shoulders up and back. And whenever you're ready now, slowly and gently close your eyes. And with your eyes closed, we'll spend the initial few moments just gathering ourselves, getting really comfortable in this position, and mentally preparing ourselves for today's meditation practice. Take your time as you continue to breathe and just allow the silence to hold you in good stead. And now, once you feel more grounded, relaxed, and ready to take on today's practice, let us shift our attention to the Anandmaya Kosha, the internal bliss body. And this being the last and the fifth kosha or element of the human self, it might take much longer to tap into it because it's so deep within us that it may not always be easily reachable. While for some of us, it may be very easy to grasp, for some of us, it might take longer. So take your time, focus your attention on finding spaces in your body or in your mind or in your state of being where you feel joy, bliss, that no matter what is happening on the outside, something inside you is always blissful, always smiling, always joyful. And we try to see what that could be. Where is that Anand or that joy within us? Or where can we feel it? Let us meditate on our own experience of joy and bliss and try and see how we can embody that. Let's do that in silence, using our mental power and going deeper into this bliss body. And now we'll slowly and gently start to take all our attention deeper into this Anandmaya Kosha. And we'll try and see how can we tap into this bliss body at all times of the day. Sometimes the Anandmaya Kosha is there, but we're not able to access it. We get caught up in the ups and downs and the movements of life. So how can we use this deep-seated joy to keep bringing it to the surface and use it whenever we need to? Let's meditate for a few more moments on establishing a relationship with the Anandmaya Kosha such that its access is open to us throughout the day and not only in these moments. Let's do that in silence. And now, let's take all our attention back into this moment, gently starting to return after we've established that connection with our Anandmaya Kosha. And as you start to come back, take your time, make your awareness come back into this moment. And whenever you feel ready, gently now bring your hands in front of your chest in a Namaste. We are going to end today's session with one Om and 3 Shantis. So let's inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And then gently rub your palms together to generate some heat. Place the palms on your eyelids. Gently release in front of your chest. Open your eyes to look at the palms. And then slowly come back with a smile on your face. So this was our meditation practice for today. I hope that you're feeling energized and you feel like you've established a connection with your Anandmaya Kosha. Remember, all of us have that beautiful possibility of checking in with our bliss body, but it's just about, connecting with it on a deeper level. So I hope that you've been able to do that and you keep going forward in the classes to follow. We'll now see you for day 18 tomorrow. Take care. We'll see you soon and Namaste.